morning. It is Wednesday morning and I had the urge to go on a walk this morning for the sunrise. Perfect. Okay, let us go. The sun is still not up. It's 6:41. I was hoping to get out earlier than that because Google said that the sunrise is at 6:45 or something. 6:46, so we're like literally mid-sunrise right now. But it is cold. Like, look at that. Look how cute that. And then how do you know when it's done? Gorgeous thing I've ever seen. This is not so pretty. Morning. Okay, well, I finally left. I literally had quiet time in my car in the parking lot of the food place, and I did not record because I personally do not like to be fake, and I feel like when you are having your devotions with God, you cannot be genuine when you know that someone's recording, you know? And I was just not about it. I really needed some good time with God, so my phone went away. And anyway, now it's almost 9 o'clock and I am just getting to Starbucks to grab a little coffee because I could really use a coffee. Ooh, and the line is...
Hi, how are you, Serafina?
Yes, can I do a venti of your brown sugar shaken espresso?
Yeah,
Here's my drink. This drink unfortunately gets made always so differently because they always put more or less ice, and so it's looking a little bit different today, so we're gonna try it. There's a lot of ice and it doesn't look like there's that much sweet cream, so we're gonna try it. I'm so picky when it comes to my drinks. I mean, you have to be when you work at a place and you know exactly how to make it. Oh, I don't know what they put in here. Hold on. Shots and syrup. And the shots are burnt. Do with that what you think. Okay, well, I'm literally headed home now. It is 10:45. I swung in at one of our friends' places because I saw that she was at home. And we just got to talking for a while. And if you guys know me, I love having quality time with people. It's one of my favorite things. It's one of my love languages. Anyway, so I had a really good conversation, and now I'm going home to literally get changed, just kind of relax a little bit before I have to go to work. we're here at Target, like I told you, and I came across something. Is this good? Salty dark chocolate, organic, vegan, 70% cocoa or cacao, no refined sugars, no cane sugars, no soy or gluten, no palm oils. It's like $4.40. I'm trying to decide if it's worth it to try. If you pull it out, it's like a salty. It looks so legit. So because I paused to chat with you guys, I lost her. I can't find my elderly lady. She was just here. And she rolled out of the aisle in a wheelchair and just vanished. I wasn't even in there long. There she is.
Everything back there but cards.
Cards are up front, yeah. Just picked up her food that she ordered for her lunch today. Wings and a burger. Alright, now on to the next place. Okay, I gotta get back to work. The broom is now done. I made the bed, folded the laundry, and now we're gonna head on our merry way. I did not film it because she was right here, so on to the next part. Okay, we're now on our way to Publix and Walmart, but Shona wants two things from Walmart, so I'm going to try to see if I can get it at Publix. Do you think I remembered to film in the store? The answer is no.
I'm gonna take the car.
Okay, thank you. Well, I'm currently making supper right now. On the agenda, I cut up some potatoes to make like potato wedges, and I put some seasoning and oil, and I also added some carrots on there. And then I'm boiling a pot of water for some corn on the cob. And then I'm also going to be making this chicken and apple all natural smoked chicken sausage. It is uncured, some good stuff from Publix. I am very careful with my meat that I get. I just like to make sure it's good stuff, healthy stuff, organic stuff, all natural, no fake ingredients. So anyway, this is what we're having. I'm gonna make both of these because I know that I'm very hungry. My husband's very hungry, so I put a little sausage in there because I didn't have a different room in this one. But here are my sausages. Just swing it over our extra virgin olive oil. But anyway, and I have one lid, so we're just kind of, you know, doing such. Just cut up the chicken sausage. So I'm going to put my corn on the cob, my and potatoes in. You cannot tell me this doesn't look amazing. Are you kidding me? There you go.
Oh.
It's hot. There's your plate. All right, supper is now done, cleaned up, washed away. And now Lawrence and I have this tradition that we do is every evening, before we sit down and relax, we take a walk. Whether it's hot, cold, outside, whatever, we take a walk. Because we haven't really been going to the gym, so walks we do. So, he's outside with Toby a while. I'm still just finishing up. And now we're going to go out on our little walk. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's clearly fire trucks happening down there. It's pretty bad. I did not know where my husband went. Because they don't have their lights on, so it's not life-threatening. Ugh, I'm tired. I literally just got off of work. It's a Saturday. I'm exhausted, but the weather is so beautiful right now. Like, it's not too hot, but it's breezy. It is absolutely gorgeous. Lawrence is actually working as well today, so it inspired me to go clean my car. And I believe the last time I've actually cleaned my car, like washed it, hand washed it, was like when I lived in Pennsylvania, when I lived by myself, before I was even married. I think, like, let's just say it's been years. At least 5 years, if not longer. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and Lars is gonna be surprised that my car is washed, because he was gonna do it when he gets home today. But he has a work meeting at 1 o'clock, and he's all the way out, like almost an hour away. He's not gonna get home till like 4 or 5, and we have plans tonight. So you know what? We're gonna do it. And I'm actually low-key excited. I'm going to go barefooted and just really soak it in. So let's go! Hey. I mean, can I just say something? I think this bucket is the same bucket that Lawrence used when he went fishing and caught fish, because it smells like fish. Like, am I literally washing my car with like fish, stinky water, cold, no soap? Listen, I'm tired. It's been a long day. Starbucks is no joke right now. It's Christmas, and we just have line out the door and the drive-through all day. And we run out of stuff and we don't have time. But anyway. You want another angle, they say? Okay. Let me get you in the boondocks. Give me one moment. It's not gonna fit. I'm just gonna scratch my phone all up. I do this all the time. Okay, you are in the bushes. I'm sure you see bushes on the side here, but you're kind of perfectly angled, so hopefully that's good. But you know, you guys want angles, so Merry Christmas. Here we go. Now I'm getting back to work. Go and put everything away and put the garage down, let it soak in the sun, shower, and go to bed. It's like 2:30 now, and we have plans starting at 4:30. We're gonna go down to UTC and do the little Christmas, we have the tree lighting, whatever down there. It's all festive, they have a parade and stuff. It's super fun. But we've been doing it every year since we've been down here. And then after that, we're going with our friends, and then after that, we're all going back to our friend's place and hanging out for the rest of the night. So, I really want to get a nap in. I've been up since 3:30, and I'm really tired. So, yeah, there's that. I'll see you at UTC for the Christmas stuff. So, I'll probably film some there. Might be chaotic, but I'll give you a little sneak Peak or whatever it is. Sorry.